One thing about me, I don't care if it doesn't match. If I like it, I love it, and I'm gonna put it on my bag anyway. Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This video is more of a fashion slash lifestyle type of video. I recently purchased a Coach bag a few weeks ago, and I'm deciding to do an unboxing video just to help other girlies inform themselves on the purchase and let you guys know how I feel about the bag and just like what does the bag look like outside of the website. I do want to express that this isn't a true unboxing video because I don't have the box anymore. The bag is still intact in her plastic and I haven't taken out any of the stuffing from the bag. Okay, so nothing special in here. This is just the plastic that the bag came in, and then here is the wrapping. This is she. This is the horse and carriage tote with horse and carriage dot print. As you can see up close, it's just a bunch of horse carriages being drawn, which I thought was super cute. I decided to go with this color because I feel like it gives more of a sophisticated look, and I did want something that would be able to match my clothing without me having to really put a lot of effort into trying to match with the bag. So I've taken all of the protective material out of the bag, and now I'm just going to show you guys exactly what the bag looks like. A deep red type of color is what the inside is like. There is no zipper on this bag. Instead, there is a button clasp to keep it closed. And again, she's a shoulder bag, so she will be on your shoulder. Here is my little keychain. It's in a green colorway. One thing about me, I don't care if it doesn't match. If I like it, I love it, and I'm gonna put it on my bag anyway. So I'm back with several items that I hope can fit in this bag, and ideally these items would mimic what I plan on carrying in this bag, so let's do it. Number one, I'm going to start off with my planner. So let's see if she fits. And I also need to say that she is not a necessity to carry with me on the regular. Slide her in like that. This is my makeup bag, and it has a few makeup items in here, my foundation and my brushes, so I'm just gonna slide that in. So far, so good. I'm really thinking of like my Birkenstocks or flip-flops, but I don't have that close by to me, so I just grabbed my nicer sandals that I have right now. I just will stick that in the side. And then, you know, here are my keys. I feel like my keys can just be dropped on top of my makeup bag. I'm gonna put my wipes in the smaller pocket. And then my wallet. I need a new wallet. This wallet is so busted and crusty. Like, I don't even want to put it in. I would just put the shawl right on top. I already know that me and this bag, we're gonna have a good relationship. Oh, but she's heavy though. I mean, duh, you got all this stuff in here. In terms of price point, I paid $132 for this bag, and in terms of what she actually cost based on her tag, she goes for $378. So I'm really happy with the price point that I was able to pay for this bag. I was in the market for a new type of tote bag, shoulder bag, and I didn't want to spend over $150. As of lately, Coach has really been rubbing off on me. I really like their new bags that they've been coming out with. Well, this is probably like an older version because she was on the outlet, but I just think they're a timeless brand, pretty classic, and they make really cute bags to wear. I'll go outside and show you what the bag looks like on my body. I'm pretty tall. everyone, so that's pretty much this video. I just really wanted to come in and do this sort of unboxing video. If I'm being quite honest, I remember practicing doing like what's in my bag videos when I was in high school on my iPod, but I never posted them and I never went through doing it. I'm so happy that I recorded the video because I feel like this video could be used as a review for other people who are interested in purchasing the same bag on the Coach website. I will put the link to the bag in the description box. But yes, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate all of the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.